I thought I'd put a part 1 video together of the Mark Rober project number 2 for the electronics project. So in this part I'll show the Arduino-based laser show that I put together and the results of that. And then in the second part I can show you the fog projection wall, hopefully, that I'd like to be able to project this onto. But for this part of the project I wanted to do something that would let me do a kind of laser show thing, something that I'd be able to show outside. So here we have a laser projector. We have an Arduino there, right up front. Power supply over here, 15-volt power supply. There's these two driver boards back here, and each of those drive these galvanometers, galvos, which are these two mirrors there and there. So you can see there's two mirrors. They're wiggling around a little bit. Those are taking signals that come from the Arduino. Sorry about the hairball of wires. I've been trying to set up to do something a little bit different, so it's in flux right now. So we have these two mirrors, and then we also have this laser that is also hooked up to the Arduino. So this laser and these mirrors are shooting. Those mirrors are wiggling at up to 20,000 times a second and projecting an image over here onto this chair. So you can see I found the Mark Rober logo, and I traced that into XYZ or XY coordinates, and then did a little bit of animation with it. Had a little bit of fun with it. So the laser is kind of small right now. That's kind of what I was playing with, is seeing if I can get a bigger range out of it, but I need to change my electrical setup so I can start. I need to be able to biamp so I can get a larger range. Right now I'm just running it powered off of the Arduino, which only gives me 0 to 5 volts. I need to use an op amp to start pulling power from the 15-volt power supply, which would then let me get a bigger range of motion. I can maybe show you later with the built-in kind of demo board or show board that the lasers come with, how it can actually project much bigger than this. On the software side, I was able to find some software to help with driving the digital analog converter and that helped with some of the rendering pieces. Something kind of cool though is, so I did find this online image editor called ImageJ, where I could pull up the Rober logo, and essentially I was able to go through and trace out points on it like this, point, and get that out as an XY coordinate list. So then I was able to throw that XY coordinate list into my code in order to be able to draw the logo. And yeah, that's pretty much the first part of the project.